Hey there, welcome back to Catch On. Today I'm there with amazing English speaking task with the help of my life as a housewife topic. It will be too useful to develop English conversation, so enhance your speaking skill that you will not hesitate to speak about your day in English, either you are working woman or housewife. So let's commence and stay tuned. Chapter 1. My day begins every day. I wake up when the sun shines through my window. It's time to start a new day as a housewife. I stretch and get ready to take care of my family and our home. Chapter 2. Breakfast time. I love making breakfast. I go to the kitchen and make coffee, which smells great and wakes everyone up. Then, I set the table with plates and pour juice. Finally, I call my family to eat. Chapter 3. Cleaning up. After breakfast, I clean the house. I dust furniture, vacuum floors, and make sure everything looks nice and neat. A clean home makes me happy, so I work hard to keep it that way. Chapter 4. Lunch and homework. For lunch, I make sandwiches and salads for my family. Then I help my kids with their homework. We sit together at the kitchen table and work on math and spelling. It's important to help them understand their schoolwork. Chapter 5. Dinner together. In the evening, I make dinner. I chop vegetables and cook meat to make a yummy meal. When my husband comes home, he's happy to see the dinner table all set. We enjoy eating together as a family. Chapter 6. Bedtime routine. After dinner, I help my kids get ready for bed. We read a bedtime story, and I give them kisses goodnight. It's a special time that I love. Then I relax by reading or watching TV before going to sleep myself. Chapter 7. Thinking back on the day before falling asleep, I think about everything that happened during the day. From the fun breakfast chats to the clean house and family dinners, it's been a good day. Taking care of my family makes me happy. Gratitude and love. Being a housewife is more than just cooking and cleaning. It's about creating a warm and loving home for my family, where they feel safe and cared for. And at the end of the day, when I see the smiles on their faces, I know that I'm doing something right. Thanks for tuning in. Stay fit, healthy, wealthy, and keep practicing English. If you like these videos, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to write in the comment section below.